Hey there, folks. All right. Well, got a nice surprise in the mail. It was quite unexpected, but it's so awesome. This model railroad community and all is just, it's so awesome. So we got a surprise gift from Mom and Son Trains Rail Fan. And it says, gift for you. Merry Christmas from our family to yours, from Tammy, Ray, Anthony, and Philip. That's so awesome. Like I said, it showed up on the doorstep, and I was like, I didn't order anything. So, see what we got here. We got a box of nuts. Are you trying to say I'm nuts, Tammy? I am kind of nuts, eh? But anyways, yeah, that's awesome. I was just thinking, every year I buy the in-shell nuts, the variety, the walnuts, the pecans, and all that stuff, and the ones you got to use the nutcracker for. It's one of my favorite things at Christmas time. But yeah, let's see what we got here. Oh, yummy, yummy, yummy. We got a nice little bow here, but I won't open it all up right now. But yeah, thanks Tammy and Ray and family. This is a very nice surprise. This is, like I said, this is an awesome community, and I love you guys, man. This, it's just, it's great all year. Seeing everyone in the various chats and joking around and stuff, and yeah, this is awesome. So, all right, again, Merry Christmas to you and yours, and until next time, remember, folks, be kind.